difficulties. You try getting this hair braided in this hat. It didn't happen. So I'm going to teach you a quick line dance that you can do to any country western music with a couple of fillers. So we're going to start off with a double tap. So double tap and change, double tap and change, single, you got to have your fingers in your waistline, single. Okay, so again, 1, 2, and 1, 2, and single, 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 single. Then you're going to go out, up, and you can tap it or not, out, up, back. Separate your legs and then wiggle them back in. And the more you do it with some flair, the better. So, good morning. So, 2, pop, and single, 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 step, up, step, back, wiggle it back in. Then we're going to do 1, 2, 3, basically a grapevine. 1, 2, 3 with a knee up. And you could do this with a turn. Step, turn, step, knee up, step, turn, step. Good morning. Oh, I'm going to get hit with my little piggies. Up. And the next step is a 1, 2, 3. So you do back, side, open, back, side, open. I'll do that a couple times. Back, side, open, back, side, open. Then a kick and a tap, a kick and a tap. Then a traditional triple with a double. This is done in like cha-chas. They call it country cha-chas or regular cha-chas. So it's cha-cha-cha, step, 2, good morning, cha-cha-cha, back, step. And you're going to use this to turn on the 2-step. And that 2-step turn is going to take you to the next direction. So you're going to do 3/4 turn on that one. And then you would do double again. So let's take the whole thing. I'll put some music on. I'll do it a couple times. And I'm going to say goodbye. So double and single, 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 step, up, step, back, wiggle it on, in, center, 1, 2, 3, pop it, 1, 2, 3, triple step, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, got that? Kick and tap, 1, 2, 3, double step, 1, 2, 3, double step, 1, 2, 3, pivot turn, 1, 2, 3, pivot turn. And remember, the pivot turn on the back is the one that's going to take you 3/4, or you cannot turn it and do half. And then you can do a tush push, either singles or doubles as fillers. Tush push, which is very common. Push with little shoulders, with a little dipping of the hat, and we're ready to go. Let's put some music on real quickly. I'll do it a couple times, and I'm going to say goodbye to you. So here we go. All right, here we go. And you could tap that toe. Tap the other toe. Here we go. Double, double. Here we go. Bam. Single. Tap it up. Wiggle it in. And pop. 1, 2, 3, work it. Kick it up. 1, 2, 3. Howdy. Take it back. Do it again. Don't make fun of me. I rode country western singles. Take it up. And wiggle it back in. Turn it. You can keep the hands on. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, it's slippery. 1, 2, 3. Here's that dip. Turn it. Now again, this would be a 3/4 turn. I'm going to take it here. So notice how I changed it. Take it up. Wiggle it on in. And pop it. 1, 2, 3. Kick it out. Triple. Double. You can turn all of them if you want. You don't just have to turn the last one. From the top, last time. Pick it up. You could double those too. Ha. Bring it back. Kick it out. Triple. All right, guys. Live for fun. I got you. And it wasn't easy getting this all in here. See you on Friday for Flexibility Friday. Bye, folks.